Welcome back, YouTubers. We're getting ready to be replacing the mirror, passenger side mirror on the 2003 Land Rover Discovery. You can see the mirror on this Land Rover Discovery is cracked. We try to glue an aftermarket mirror on there. But we took that it lasted for a little while. But what you want to do is just order you a mirror off eBay. Doesn't have to be new. This one looks way better than our original did. Take this mirror, they run it for anywhere from $45 to $75. It's in good shape, no scratches. What you want to do is get, usually you have to get a panel, but I'm just using a regular scraper, just being real careful not to scratch up, and get it up behind her and pop it off. Because the only thing that's keeping it on is a little keeper here and 3 little keepers at the bottom. Remove the little insulation. There's a little insulation here that has to come out. This one here is shredded all up. Oh. The people sent us the insulation from the new mirror. Next thing we're gonna do is there's 3 screws holding this mirror on. It's like a triangle. Top one, back one. Usually come on out with the screws. Then the next thing you want to do is just bring it. I want to bring this around here. I don't want it to flop down on the body to scratch the paint. Get your screwdriver up in here. It's one release clamp that you hold down and pull it out. Your connector comes right on out. What we do is come back with our new mirror, fish our little plug back through, get ready to bolt it up. All I'm doing now is bolting the 3 screws in. I already attached the plug. Now just put the insulation back in. Very important. It's winter time down here. Insulation. Put your cover trim in, your decorative trim. Pop it in. Look like we never been in there. Make sure y'all don't forget to smash that like button and share the video.